Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indra Aulia as first speakers. Today, I will explain about TOEFL text in structure and written expression. I will explain from scale 30 until 40. So, let's begin. Okay, for skill 30, after have used the past participle, di sini maksudnya setelah kata have kita menggunakan past participle. Nah, past participle di sini kita ambil verb 3. For example, they had walked. This is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he had walked. Continue to the exercise number 3. Having finished the term paper, he began studying for the exam. Take a look this having and finished. Finish ini kan verb termasuk verb 3 dan having ini kan termasuk have. Jadi ini correct sentence. Okay, next continue to skill 31. After be, use the present participle on past participle. Nah, di sini setelah kata be kita bisa menggunakan present participle dan atau past participle. For example, we are do our homework. Ini incorrect sentence because jadi kita harusnya should be are doing gitu. Okay, next to the exercise. Open your book, page 166, number 3. The message was took by the receptionist. This is incorrect or correct sentence? You can answer, guys. Okay. Mari kita bahas. The message was took by the receptionist. Take a look. Was took. Kita kan ini kan present participle ini kan sama past participle menggunakan verb 3 ya. Jadi ini incorrect sentence because ini harusnya took, ini harusnya was taken. Continue to skill 32. After will, would, or other modals, use the best form of the verb. Jadi di skill 32 ini setelah modal itu seperti will, would, and others, kita menggunakan verb 1. For example, di sini the boat will leaving. This is the incorrect sentence. Should be will leave karena leaving ini kan continuous ya. Jadi kita ubah ke verb 1 menjadi will leave. Next to the exercise on page 160. Should everyone arrive by 8 o'clock? Take a look, should and arrive. Should ini kan modal ya. Nah, arrive ini verb 1. So, number 3 is correct sentence. Okay, continue to skill 33. Now when to use the past with the present. Jadi di sini intinya kita harus mengetahui kapan menggunakan past dengan present. For the example, he took the money when he wanted. He took the money when he wanted. The first example means that he took the money in the past when he wanted in the past. This meaning is logical and the sentence is correct. So, continue to the exercise on page 150. Number 3. When he was child, he always goes to the circus. Take a look at the sentence. When he was child, he always goes to the school. Di sini anak ini dalam masa lampau dan perginya di masa sekarang, seperti itu. Ini kan tidak nyambung ya. Harusnya goes ini diganti dengan when. So, number 3 is incorrect sentence. Okay, continue to scale 34. Use have and had correctly. The present perfect have plus past participle. For example, Sue has lived in Los Angeles for 10 years. The sentence means that Sue has lived in Los Angeles for the 10 years up to now. Jadi, Sue has lived in Los Angeles for 10 years ini berarti sampai sekarang pun Sue itu masih berada di Los Angeles. So, this is the formula. You can open your books. Next to the exercise, page 172, number 3. The students have registered for classes before the semesters. Sorry, ini kepotong. Karena ini sudah ada kejadian yang sudah terjadi, mestinya have ini menjadi had. So the sentence is incorrect. So continue to scale 35. Use the correct tense with the time expression. Jadi di sini kita penggunaan waktu ya. For the example, he moved to New York in 1920. In the first example, the time expression in 1970 indicates that the verb should be in the simple past. Langsung saja ke formulanya. Is for past perfect used by, simple past use years ago, last, and in. For present perfect use since. Continue to the exercise on page 73. Number 3. The pilgrims have arrived in the New York world in 96. The pilgrims have arrived in the New World 2, 16, and 12. Take a look in ya. Kita lihat di sini formulanya in itu termasuk simple past. So, simple past di sini harusnya tidak usah have. Jadi langsung saja menggunakan the pilgrims arrived in the New York in the New World in 1612. So this the sentence is incorrect sentence. Okay, continue to skill 36. Use the correct tense with will and would. Will ini untuk present and would for a past tense. For example, I know that he would arrive soon. It is certain that he will graduate. I know that would arrive soon. In the first example, the present nouns is logical with would. It can be corrected. This is the formula. Continue, langsung saja to the exercise on page 174. Number 3. Paula did not say when she will finish the project. Take a look. Did not ini termasuk past tense, so will ini kita ubah menjadi would. So the sentence is incorrect sentence. Continue to skill 37. Use the correct form of the passive. Nah, kita langsung saja ke formulanya ya. The form of the passive itu ada ada be plus verb 3. Kita kunci ini. Next to the exercise. Intinya itu setelah be verb 3. Okay, take a look on the exercise page on 178. Number 3. Money is lending by the credit union to those who want to buy. Take a look this. This is to be is. Ini harusnya verb 3. Setelah to be itu verb 3. So the sentence is incorrect sentence. Okay, continue to skill 38. Recognize active and passive meaning. Jadi kita harus bisa menentukan aktif dan kalimat pasif seperti itu. Dan kalimat pasif, remember, kalimat pasif rumus the formula is be plus verb 3. Langsung saja ya ke exercise on page 179. Number 3. Everything to organize the picnic has already done. Take a look this. Everything harusnya ini passive voice karena segala sesuatu sudah disiapkan kan berarti. So di sini harusnya ditambah has already been done. So the sentence is incorrect sentence. Okay, continue to skill 39. Use the correct singular or plural. Jadi kita suruh perhatikan singular atau plural noun. Take a look this. For singular nouns, there are each, every, single, are, and a. For plural nouns, but, two, many, several, and various. Kita kunci di sini. Keep it. Next to the exercise on page 183, number 3. The sales clerk demonstrated various additional way that machine could be used. Sorry, this is the crop. Maaf, ini kepotong. So, take a look the various. Di sebelahnya ada kata additional way that machine could be used. Nah, harusnya way di sini ada tambahan as menjadi ways. So, the sentence is incorrect sentence. Okay, next the last skill 40, distinguish countable and uncountable noun. Jadi kita harus mengetahui benda yang bisa dihitung dan benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Take a look the formula. Jadi benda yang kita bisa hitung itu many, number, few, viewer. For uncountable nouns, much, amount, little, and less. Continue to the exercise on page 194, number 3. You will have viewer problems with your income tax if you get professional help. Take a look this, viewers and problems. Problem ini bisa dihitung dan viewers itu, take a look, benda yang bisa dihitung. So, this sentence is correct sentence. I think that's it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.